Being ambitious drives success. It's a good thing. But make sure that that ambition is coupled with experience, skills, and demonstration. There are many opportunities that you will have to stand out. You should seek out those opportunities where you can shine a light on what makes you different or what makes your thinking different. Don't apologize for being ambitious ever. Don't apologize for it. You will find that if you put yourself out there, people will engage with you. And you will learn great things. Anytime you have a problem at work that you want to present as an issue, a better way of doing things, whatever, always present a solution. Dive in and identify where there are areas that you and your uniqueness can contribute. And what you will find is that if everybody does that, you will find yourself in a great team of people who have their own little unique geniuses that together really drive success.